Privacy shields. How to integrate privacy shields into web application? MySQL configuration. First you have to do configuration of the database. We created video for MySQL database configuration. We will recommended see the video link in the description box. Upload zip file via FTP or file manager. We will recommended see the video link in the description box. Kindly upload zip file of privacy shields on via FTP or file manager. Welcome to the live preview of policy shields, where you will find options for privacy policy, terms and conditions, disclaimer, admin panel, and documentation. In this preview, you will have the opportunity to explore the following features. Privacy Policy Generator. Generate a privacy policy customized for your needs by providing information such as your company name, and website URL. After filling in these details, answer a series of questions according to your preferences. Once all the information is provided, you will receive a preview that you can easily copy and paste onto your website. Terms and Conditions Generator. Similar to the Privacy Policy Generator, create tailored terms and conditions for your website. Follow a similar process by entering your relevant details and answering specific questions to generate the document. Disclaimer Generator. Generate a comprehensive disclaimer that suits your website's requirements using a similar process to the above generators. Admin Panel. After generating the necessary documents, you can access the admin panel. This dashboard allows you to manage your website content effortlessly. Edit pages like About Us and Contact Us by clicking on the Edit option for each page. Edit page content. When you choose to edit a page, you will have the option to modify its title, meta description, and meta keywords. Once your edits are complete, simply save the changes. Purchase Code Activation. You can activate or deactivate your purchase code from this section, providing control over your website's accessibility. Social Media Integration. Customize your social media presence by editing the URLs associated with your accounts. This ensures accurate linking from your website. Personal Profile Settings. Manage your personal profile details and image in the Settings section. Google AdSense and Analytics. Edit the scripts for Google AdSense and Analytics integration to monitor and optimize your website's performance. XML, text file upload. Upload essential files like the sitemap.xml and robots.txt from this section to enhance your website's search engine visibility and optimization. Logout. Conclude your session by using the logout option, accessible whenever you choose to log out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.